Right now, I'll be teaching you how to read your tape measure. And this is a regular tape. We have it calibrated in inches and on this way centimeters. So I'm not going to be using the centimeters. It's not popularly used in Nigeria by most designers. So this is what most of us use. And I've represented this on a larger scale. So this is the edge here, 0 inches, the one here, and 2 inches this way. So I've represented here so that I can show you what each line in between represents. So in between, from 0 to 1, on the inches scale, we have it divided into 8, not 10. That's why it's not right to actually represent your inches in decimal. So you use fractions instead, fractions. So we have between 0 and 1. So let's just count this. This is 1/8 because we have 8 divisions. This is 2/8. This is 3/8, 4 out of 8, 5 out of 8, 6 out of 8, 7 out of 8, and of course 8 out of 8, which makes it 1. You know, when you divide 8 by 8, that's 1. So here's how you actually read your tape. We have 1/8 here. These two numbers, they can't divide each other, so you just use your 1/8 of an inch. And this is 2/8, which is actually a quarter, because when you divide 2 by 8, you have 1/4. That's a quarter of an inch. So here is 1/4 of an inch. And this is 1/3 of an inch. They're not divisible by each other, so you still have 1/3. And this is 4 out of 8, which is actually 1/2. So this is half of an inch, 1/2 of an inch. So this is 1/58 of an inch. And here we have this 6/8. And when you divide it, you have 3/4 of an inch. And this is represented as 7/8 of an inch. So we have a 1 inch here. So let's move to this side. You just add this to 1 when you are reading from here. So I can say 1/8 of an inch. That's here rather. 1/8 of an inch. 1/4 of an inch. 1/3 inches or inch. And half of an inch. 1/2 of an inch. That's 1/2 of an inch. Then 1/58 of an inch. 1/3/4 of an inch. That's 3/4 of an inch. 1/7/8 of an inch. When you come to any number you're taking at all, just take it and add those fractions to it. So you can have 2/3/4 of an inch, 2/58 of an inch, 2/7/8 of an inch, and all that. So that's just the right way to read your tape measure. I hope that's properly understood. Thank you.